because I wanted something that felt authentic and Jewish to me, in a way that, like, Israel and Hebrew and all of that has never felt like it's for me, because it's not. Like, it's, I see a lot of that as being sort of this like mishmash of, I don't know, trying to make this great national narrative out of, you know, a Jewish cultures that have existed in different parts of the world for like most of their history. And it's not like, I have no one in my family has been to Israel. No one in my family like makes falafel. That's not like our family dish. But that for a long time was like, this is your culture, this is your cultural heritage, this is the thing that's for you. And it just never felt that way. I mean, I also, like, I learned Hebrew for 13 years, and I still can't speak it, because, like, I just never wanted to. And when I was, you know, first hearing Yiddish, when I first started learning Yiddish, it felt like the first enduring thing to me about Jewish culture. I was like, I don't know if I don't know what's gonna last, you know, but this feels like it could, because this feels like it's mine. And you know, like, my grandma made blintzes, and she spoke Yiddish, and you know, she comes from Satmar, Hungary, and like all that stuff is so interesting. And like, I don't know, why wouldn't I want to think about those things and look at those things and preserve those things, the things that feel close to me, and not just in playing into like a national narrative that isn't even mine. Yeah.